Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the car crash video edit. First of all, we start, open the project from here, move to where you want the project to start from. Okay, you select your split, make the first side, you go to the end at where you want the video to end. Okay, select again your split and you delete the ending also. This is what you have now. So I will now insert, I'll now add my green screen, go to overlay, add overlay. I'll select my green screen right here. Okay, so I'll move to where the car crash end. Okay, select already, you split, delete the ending. So this is what we have now. The car is facing the opposite direction, so you select it, the green screen, scroll down, look for edit, choose mirror, so that you can change the direction of the car. You go again, you select the green screen again, cap out, chroma key. Okay, you go to the top here, intensity. Okay, then you choose shadow also, so that there can be a shadow with the car. Okay, after that we resize the car to make the image, to make the video great. So let's try. Let me just reduce this volume here. That's all. See, the car is down. Let's go. Okay, so let me just increase the size of the car small, and also push it up. Okay, and also bring it back small. Yes, so that is that. After you finish, you can just download the sound from Google. Okay, so we are done. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. I'll just add the sound and go to audio, sound. Okay, you go to from device. Okay, I've downloaded the car crash, so I'll just set car crash. Select the car crash and the other side. Okay, there we go. Just edit to make sure you get the right sound you want. That is all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.